Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Oh, I got your nose, hang on. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing this hot pink look right here with a bit of gold. Why not? Who doesn't love a bit of gold, eh? Yeah guys, I used the bPerfect palette again today. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please feel free and keep it watching. So guys, going straight into my Carnival XL Pro palette. That's like the longest name ever. I'm always going to stumble over saying it. I want to go in first with this shade here called Persuasion. I'm just putting that right into my crease. Like so, and then I'm gonna go in with Funky and doing small circular movements to blend out Persuasion. Then I'm gonna go in with Keen. Pretty sure this is like one of my favourite colours in the pan as well. And blend out Funky. I'm gonna go back in with Persuasion. Just make sure that's still visible in the crease there. Then I'm going to go back in with Funky, that bright pink, just to make sure the yellow and the purpley shade kind of ombre into each other, if that makes sense. And just going back in with that Keen shade. Now I am going to do a bit of a cut crease with my P. Louise base. And I'm going to go in with Fortune. Hopefully this looks okay. It should tie in with the yellow. I'm just applying some Persuasion in the outer part there, just so it's kind of nicely blended together, and so you don't see any harshness from where the cut crease ended. Again, applying that Fortune. And then gonna go in with Reckless and deepen out that outer V. Can't decide if I want glitter today or not, because I mean, when is glitter not okay? So what I might do is get my Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter in Midnight Cowboy and just lightly brush that over the lid. Like, I don't want anything too thick, but I just want something a little bit, you know, like, ooh, what's on your eyelid kind of thing. So I'm going to go with my Inglot Gel Liner. Wait, what have I done to my brush? He's gone fluffy. There's the eyeliner then. To be honest, I could want to do a wing liner. It's just one of those days today. Applying some mascara. Then I'm gonna go with my, oh my gosh, they fell out. My Doll Beauty Lashes in Jasmine. I just like these. I just think they go with like all my looks. I'd be quite happy with just a whole drawer full of these, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not too sure what's going on here at the minute. I think it might be stress related. I've been a bit stressed at work lately. So I think they could be stress related. I mean, don't quote me on that because I'm not like a spot expert, you know. Okay, so that's how the eyes look so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, do my skin. And then I'll finish off the eyes and I'll show you the finished look. Okay, see you in a bit. Alright, so finish off with the eyes. I'm gonna go in with Persuasion first and buff that into the lower lash. I'm gonna then buff it in with a bit of Funky. And then I'm gonna go back in with that Keen shade, that yellow, and buff it in. And then I'm gonna go back in with that Reckless shade, that deep plum shade. And smudge it. Ah. I kind of just buffed it in like midway through the lower lash, and then just making sure it's blended in with the other colours. I want all the deep dark shade, like the deepness to be on like the outer part. It just looks, I don't know, like more sultry. And then I just applied Fair Play to the inner corners and brow bone. Just applying some bottom lash mascara. So guys, this is the final look. I'll give you a close up, other way. Oh, there's a fly in my room, he keeps bugging me. Go away. So guys, yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this look using the bPerfect palette. Once again, I said I wanted to try and do something with the like reddy pinky colours, so I did pinks. And you know, what can I say? Alright, I love me a good old pink look, so that's kind of what I've done today. If you like this look right here, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you thought of the look, or you know, what looks you'd like me to do next, or what type of videos you want me to do next. That'd be great. And also feel free and subscribe. We're nearly on at 400. Like, nearly on 400. Yeah, guys. What else? Oh, and by the way, follow me on IG. My IG is lacy.makeup. Feel free to give me a follow on that. I also do post some looks on there too. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.